You ever wonder who actually builds the stuff that makes people rich in crypto? It ain't luck, we all know it. It's code. And the language of Web3 is called Solidity. Never heard of it? Well, that's bad. Let's fix it. Now you are about to understand the language that prints digital gold in real time. And I'll do my best to teach you as I always do. Solidity is the main programming language used to write smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. What's a smart contract, you may ask? I have already explained that in one of my previous videos, which you can find and watch, but it's simple. It's a digital agreement that executes itself, which means no middleman, no lawyer, no bank involved, just pure automatic power. For example, a smart contract can say, if Ivan sends 1 ETH, unlock this NFT. Boom, code runs, deal's done. No one can stop it, no one can change it. Once it's deployed, it runs forever. That's what I call power. But Ivan, what about my bank? Get rid of it, you don't need banks anymore. In Web 2, developers build apps, but in Web 3, developers build economies. You write 100 lines of Solidity, and suddenly you've launched a token, built a DAO, or created a DeFi protocol that moves millions of dollars a day. Let that sink in. One person with a laptop and knowledge of Solidity can create a money machine. This isn't theory, it's happening. Uniswap, built on Solidity. Compound, OpenSea, all built in Solidity. If Web3 is the battlefield, Solidity is your weapon. Most people look at crypto and think, let me buy a coin and hope it moons. Maybe it will moon one day. But that's weak. That's consumer thinking. You want to win in Web3. Don't just buy the game. Build the damn game. Learning Solidity gives you leverage. Because while others are gambling, you're creating the casino. And as we all know, the house always wins. It always wins, guys. You don't need to become the next Vitalik. But if you even understand the basic of Solidity, you instantly level up your position in the digital economy. And that's what is important. You have options like jobs, startups, smart contract audits, partnerships, crypto security. Those are all big money. Solidity isn't just a language, it's a gateway to Web3 dominance. So while older guys waste their time trying to flip tokens, you can learn to flip code into a fortune.